find that we have juniors, and Jacob is a junior. He's got a second place.
He's fired.
Come there. That's it.
What motor's in that?
Next to them.
I thought it was,
Yeah.
by the way it was whining.
Yeah.
Because I just sold a boat with it either had 2 hectoperims or a 2 decaperims, a 12-volt one.
Oh, back to pounds.
We're in the tug.
Michael Alter Hospital.
Mm.
Up